gagawa tayo ng Sushi Bake. So, meron ako dito mga ingredients. Papakita ko sa inyo. I have 3 cups of cooked rice, imitation crab meat, furikake, cream cheese, apple cider vinegar, sugar, Japanese mayonnaise. I-mix niyo lang yung apple cider vinegar and sugar until ma-dissolve yung sugar. And then, ilagay niyo siya dun sa cooked rice. Haluin niyo lang maigi. In a separate bowl, i-mix niyo yung 1 cup ng cream cheese at 1/4 cup of Japanese mayonnaise. I-mix nyo lang yan, and then after that, ilagay nyo na siya doon sa inyong imitation crab meat and mix well. Mag-prepare lang kayo ng baking pan at ilagay nyo lang yung inyong rice. Tapos i-flatten nyo din siya mga be. After nyo ma-flatten yung rice, ilagay nyo na yung furikake. And then, yung inyong cream cheese and kani mixture. Add another layer of furikake. Be generous on this kasi masarap talaga pag madami siyang furikake. I also added Japanese mayonnaise on top before baking. You can also put sriracha if you like it spicy. Preheat your oven for 350 degrees and put it in a broil. Bake it for 15 to 20 minutes or until the top is golden brown. And now, it's done! Ready na ang inyong sushi bake mga be! Thank you so much for watching mga be! I'll see you on my next one! Bye! Sarap! Thank you so much for watching this video mga be. Please don't forget to follow me on all my social media accounts, all at Dianne. If you have any suggestions what video you would like to see next, just comment down below. Please hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post new videos. I see you on my next one. Bye!